Goodbye, tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen snacks you'll love. Aging often brings subtle but frustrating changes. Maybe you've noticed your legs don't feel as steady as they used to, or your hands tingle after even small tasks. While these symptoms can feel discouraging, there's a powerful way to fight back by fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to rebuild from the inside out. And one nutrient that makes the biggest difference is collagen. Collagen is the protein that holds everything together: your joints, your skin, your muscles, even your blood vessels and nerves. But here's the problem. After 50, your natural collagen levels start to drop fast, leading to stiff joints, fragile muscles, and circulation issues that cause weakness or tingling. The good news? You can rebuild it deliciously. Today, we'll explore 8 collagen-packed snacks that are not only simple and tasty, but also specifically chosen to strengthen your joints, calm nerve discomfort, and restore energy in your legs. These aren't complicated recipes or expensive supplements. They're everyday foods you can actually enjoy. Let's dive in. Number 1. Dark chocolate nut clusters. Who says eating for your health can't feel indulgent? Dark chocolate is one of the richest natural sources of flavonoids, antioxidants that protect collagen from breaking down. Add nuts, and you're boosting the mix with amino acids that help your body make more collagen. Here's how to make them. Melt dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content. Stir in almonds or walnuts, and drop spoonfuls onto parchment paper to cool. Once hardened, you've got bite-sized treats that feel like dessert, but actually fight joint stiffness and protect nerve health. Studies show that flavonoids improve blood flow to the limbs. Exactly what you need if you've been struggling with cold, tingling hands, or tired legs. Just 1 or 2 pieces a day can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels. Number 2. Gelatin fruit bites. If you loved gummy candy as a kid, this snack will bring back memories. Except these gummies actually heal your body. Gelatin is collagen in its simplest form, broken down and easy for your system to absorb. To make them, dissolve unflavored gelatin in warm fruit juice, pour into molds, and let them set. You can use orange juice for vitamin C or tart cherry juice for natural anti-inflammatory benefits. The best part? They're soft, easy to chew, and perfect if you have dental sensitivities. A couple of these little bites each day deliver collagen directly to your joints and connective tissue, helping restore flexibility and reduce that aching, heavy legs feeling. Number 3. Chicken bone broth cups. Bone broth isn't just soup, it's concentrated collagen. When you simmer chicken bones slowly, the collagen and minerals inside break down into a healing broth your body can use right away. This broth supports cartilage repair, nourishes connective tissue, and even helps soothe irritated nerves. For seniors, that means less stiffness, fewer crackling sounds in the knees, and steadier legs. Make a big pot by simmering chicken bones with vegetables and a splash of vinegar for 8 hours. Once cooled, the broth thickens into a gel. That's the collagen. Reheat a cup daily with herbs or lemon juice, and you've got a warm, soothing treatment that tastes as good as it feels. Number 4. Cantaloupe mint cubes. Collagen can't form without vitamin C, and Cantaloupe delivers it in abundance. Just 1 cup covers nearly 2/3 of your daily needs, making it one of the most effective and refreshing collagen snacks. Cut cantaloupe into cubes, squeeze lime juice over them, sprinkle crushed pistachios on top, and add a few mint leaves. The melon hydrates, the lime boosts vitamin C, the nuts add protein, and the mint calms digestion. This isn't just fruit. It's a rejuvenating bowl that flips on your collagen-making switch, easing stiff joints and giving your legs a lighter, more energized feeling. Number 5. Tomato caprese stack. Tomatoes are an underrated collagen booster. They're rich in vitamin C for building collagen, plus lycopene, an antioxidant that shields existing collagen from breakdown. To prepare, slice fresh tomatoes and layer with mozzarella or avocado. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle sea salt, and top with basil. It's simple, elegant, and incredibly effective. The vitamin C fuels collagen production, while the lycopene protects your skin, joints, and blood vessels. Eat this regularly, and you're not just enjoying a snack. You're reinforcing the foundation of your mobility and nerve health. Number 6. Egg muffins with veggies. Eggs contain glycine and proline, two essential building blocks of collagen. Yolks also supply vitamin D and sulfur, which keep bones strong and tissues elastic. Whisk eggs with chopped spinach, peppers, and mushrooms, then bake in muffin tins. The result? Portable, protein-rich bites that strengthen joints and muscles while calming inflammation. Having a few of these ready in the fridge makes it easy to choose something nourishing when you need a snack. Over time, they help your legs feel steadier and your grip stronger. Two changes that make a world of difference after 60. Number 7. Berry nut mix. Berries aren't just delicious. They're loaded with antioxidants that protect collagen from oxidative stress and inflammation. Pair them with nuts, and you've got the perfect combo for joint and nerve support. Fill a small jar with blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, then top with almonds or walnuts. The berries supply vitamin C and anthocyanins, while the nuts add vitamin E and healthy fats that help your body absorb more antioxidants. This snack works like an internal shield, defending your collagen fibers so they can keep supporting your joints, muscles, and skin. With daily use, you'll feel less stiffness, better mobility, and even sharper mental clarity. Number 8. Sardine crackers. It may surprise you, but sardines are one of the richest whole food sources of collagen. They're also packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that strengthen bones, calm inflammation, and repair nerves. Mash sardines onto whole grain crackers, squeeze lemon juice over the top, and enjoy. The lemon adds flavor plus vitamin C, which enhances collagen absorption. This small but mighty snack gives your body nearly everything it needs to repair itself. Connective tissue, bone strength, and nerve stability all in one. For anyone with tingling hands or wobbly legs, it's a game changer. So there you have it. 8 simple, tasty snacks that go beyond filling your stomach. They actively rebuild and protect the collagen that keeps your body strong, steady, and pain-free. The key is consistency. These foods won't transform you overnight, but when you make them part of your routine, your body begins to respond. Joints become less stiff, muscles recover faster, hands stop tingling, legs feel more reliable. Your health after 60 isn't about chasing quick fixes. It's about making small, smart choices each day. And the best part? These choices taste great. So pick one of these snacks today, try it, and see how you feel. Because no matter your age, your body can still heal, rebuild, and thrive with just a little help from the right foods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or loved one who could benefit from these collagen snacks. And if you want more simple, science-backed health tips for life after 60, make sure to subscribe to Feel Fresh 360 and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that could change your health for the better.